So here you have to write 734543. 734543. And next one is 3275 829. 3275 829. So you have to feed likewise 3 at unit place, once at one place, 4 is at 10 place, 5 at 100 place, 4 at the 1000 place, 3 is the 10,000 place, and 7 is the lakh place. Here 9 is there, 2 is there, 8 is there, 5 is there, 7 is there, 2 is there, and 3 is there. So how we will say? We will say that 7 lakhs 3 and 4 34 34 7 lakhs 34,543, and here again 32 lakhs 75,829. Similarly, when we include numbers up to crores as shown below, you can make other formats of tables for writing the numbers in expanded form. Use of commas. You must have noticed that in writing large numbers in the section above, we have often used commas. Commas help us reading and writing large numbers. In our Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then lakhs and crores. Commas are used to mark thousands, lakhs, and crores. The first comma comes after 100 place, that is 3 digits from the right, and marks thousands. The second comma comes 2 digits later, 5 digits from the right. It comes after 10,000 place and marks lakh. The third comma comes after another 2 digits, 7 digits from the right. It comes after 10 lakhs place and mark crore. Here, after 1, 2, 3 comma, again 1, 2 digit comma, again after this again 2 digits comma, then here will be the crore, here will be the 10 crore. While writing numbers names, we do not use commas. We will write here, then 7 lakh 34,543. Try reading the numbers given above. Write the 5 more numbers in this form and read them. Now, the next topic is International System of Numeration. In the International System of Numeration, as it is being used, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then millions. 1 million is a 10,000 thousands. Commas are used to mark thousand and millions. It comes after every 3 digits from the right. The first comma marks thousand and the next comma marks millions. For example, the number 5080159 we read in the international system as 50,801,592. In the Indian system, it is 5 crore 8 lakhs 1,592.